Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make a simple soap without glycerine. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. When you are making a soap, you have to be aware. Wear gloves, long sleeves, keep the skin on the stomach, arms and legs covered. The windows should be opened. During making lye, you will also have to cover your mouth, nose and eyes. Lye is very corrosive. We prepare a pot in which we'll heat the oils. I've already prepared 15 g coconut oil and 35 g olive oil. To make the lye, we will need 15 g of distilled water and 7 g of sodium hydroxide. Water can be replaced with, for example, herbal infusion. Firstly, we'll start by making the lye. It is best to make them in stainless steel vessel. The lye generates a lot of heat when combined. I will use a plastic spoon to mix so you will be able to see how high temperature it reaches. We will slowly pour sodium hydroxide into the water during stirring. It is best to do it, for example, in the sink in case the vessel breaks or the lye spills out. Remember to cover your mouth, nose and eyes. You can see that it reached such a temperature that the plastic becomes malleable and bent. Leave the lye to cool down a bit while we will heat the oils in water bath. They should reach about 50 Celsius degrees. As you can see, the spoon I was mixing the lye is bent. So when the lye also reaches 50 Celsius, it can be combined with oils. We take oil and olive and combine them in one pot and heat them up. Our oils have already reached the temperature of 50 Celsius degrees. When the lye has also reached the right temperature, we can combine both masses. We will pour the lye into the oil, stirring constantly. The mask and glasses can be removed in a moment. However, it is best to leave the gloves until the end. Our mass already reached the right consistency of pudding. We can add essential oils, activated carbon, or some clays for colors. You can use a blender to speed up the process. When the mass have the right consistency, you can pour it into the mold. I will use smaller silicone molds. If you want to make a bar of soap, you can pour the mass into the large container and cut it into smaller pieces when you take it out. This is the soap that have been lying around for 2 weeks. I didn't add any dyes and its color is creamy white. So now we have to put our molds in a cool place. More than 24 hours have passed. The soap has thickened a bit and you can take them out of the molds. Also cut them if you need. For safety, it is also good to wear gloves. We put them, for example, on a paper towel and cover. We put it back to the cool place. The soap should be kept for at least 4 to 6 weeks. The longer the soap stays, the better it will be.